Hi, it's Gina with WTI. If you want a touchless trash can for a small area, you are going to love this one that I got from SYNCVIBE. So my husband and I live in a very small home. It's 290 square feet. We wanted something stylish that would go in our front room area, and this trash can has been ideal. It's 2 gallons, and the company is even kind enough to send you a roll of bags to go inside of it. Speaking of bags, I love that there's a ring that goes inside the trash can that you put the bag around so that the bag doesn't slip around and then trash get everywhere. This requires 2 AA batteries, and I gotta say the sensor is really sensitive, so it's nice because you don't have to wait very long for it to open when you wave your hand or foot in front of it. This is black and gold, and I like that the trash can has some stripes of plastic around it, which gives it a nice design and it makes it more aesthetically pleasing. We're overall very pleased with this trash can. It has been perfect for our uses, and that's our point of view.